Hey everybody, so today I'm getting out one of my looks, finally. I have done so many looks today. I teased my hair for one of the looks and that might have been one of the worst mistakes, next to one of the worst mistakes of my life. But it's just going to take a little bit longer to get this out. So I am filming a bunch of videos today, so if you see my hair like this, like a mess, it's because of the Halloween tutorials. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. Now there are videos out on this, and I will link below a video of the girl that I seen doing this, and it just inspired me to try one out. And I could tell, because this is one of my last looks that I done, but I could tell that I was really just getting really lazy. So I was trying to speed through this one. We are doing an owl. So again, I haven't seen too many looks. I don't really see too many people going toward that owl or bird-like thing, you know. So I wanted to do that one and get this one out first. So it was really a lot of fun. I've been having so much fun filming some looks, and I cannot wait to get them edited and get them out. So if you want to find out how to get that owl look, just keep watching. How are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now, before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy, and welcome to the video. Alright guys, so today I went ahead and I had to get this one out. I mean, I thought it was so much fun. It's an owl, if you can't tell, and mine is more of a lazy owl. Now, this was one of the last looks that I've done today, and I filmed about 3 or 4 looks today already. So I could tell I was getting a little bit lazy here, and I figured, hey, you know what, let's stop here because I'm just not feeling it no more. Let's go ahead and jump into that tutorial. Alright guys, now that was the finished look. Now I did go ahead and wash it off of my face because I've just had so much makeup on me today that it's just ridiculous. But I'm trying to use just makeup, not Halloween makeup, but my regular makeup. I wanted to make sure that people could do this just using anything that they got around the house. So again, I do have a few more looks coming out, so I'm hoping you're going to be around so you can check those out too. And I hope you enjoyed this owl look. And guys, I want to thank you so much. I want to send my love to every one of my Glow Tarts. I just hit 5,000 subscribers and I couldn't be happier. And I wouldn't be here doing this if it wasn't for you guys. And I just want to tell y'all I love y'all so much. And I want to thank you so much for watching my videos and being here to support me. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you next video. Bye, guys.